Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to buy Scooby Finance token on your Trust Wallet and on PancakeSwap. So in order to do this, you will need to go to your Trust Wallet, of course, and you will need to have buy or transfer BNB coins here in order to buy this Scooby token. So you need to click on buy and BNB, and then you can buy it like that. But Trust Wallet has higher fees, so I highly suggest you to buy BNB tokens on Binance.com, and I will leave the link in the description for you for 5% deposit bonus. Just definitely use that, you will get more coins. And after that, you will need to send BNB coins to your Trust Wallet. So you will need to click on receive BNB, copy the address of your Trust Wallet's BNB coins, and you're gonna paste this address to your Binance and send money here. After that, when you will have BNB coins, you need to go to your browser and you need to connect to your PancakeSwap. So I'm just gonna log out, and now to connect to your Trust Wallet, you need to click connect and Trust Wallet, and after that you need to be on the exchange section here. After that, to select the currency, we need, of course, the address of this Scooby Finance token. So I'm just gonna copy the contract of it, and after that it should be here. Here it is. So this is the Scooby token, and if you want to buy it, you basically just enter the amounts of the BNB. And you're gonna exchange them, but make sure that slippage tolerance here in settings would be 11% or lower. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you can buy Scooby Finance token on Trust Wallet and on PancakeSwap. And if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to this channel. Take care. Bye.